Hey, Wolf. How you doing? Oh, Wolf. Hey, Wolf. How you doing? I'm doing good. Where's Barry? I don't know. Oh. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Let me do this. Barry. What are you doing, Barry? Hey, stop. I'm trying to play my video game, as you can see. Look. Hope. I'm trying to play my video game. Stop. Listen to me. Let me just play. Stop. Okay. That was weird. Okay. So, Wolf, what do you want to do today? I don't know. Guys. I have news. Oh, I fell. Guys, there's like a virus thing going around. What? A virus? What's it called? I can't say because I can't say, guys, because like YouTube censorship. I can't say it. Like it's like the COVID virus. Oh, well. What is that even? What is censorship? No. Hey, don't think about it. Never mind. Well, how did this virus start anyway? Well, people think it came from China, and then people left China and went to different countries and spread it. And we have to stay 6 feet apart from each other and wear masks. Okay, so where are we gonna find masks? Well, I know where a shop is. Maybe we can go there and buy some masks. That's a good idea. Let's go. Okay, this is the place. I got my money. I wish my friends could go. Hey, wake up. Hey, what do you want? I'm trying to sleep. Can I have 5 masks? Sure, that will be $5. Okay, let me get my money. Here we go. Okay, take 5 masks. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get off the mask. Let's go. Got the masks. Try on. Okay, we will. Yeah, we will. Give us a second. Okay. Yeah, finally, we got our mask on. Now, what do we do now? We got our masks. Yeah, mine is a little too big, even though my mouth is big. It's a little loose. Yeah, well, mine's too big too. But let's just watch the news. Breaking news. Breaking news. Places all around the world have the virus vaccine. Try to find a dealer to you. Go to 544-555.com to get to the closest vaccine shop. Did you hear that, guys? There's a vaccine for the virus. Let's go get it. Let me go to that website or whatever. Oh, Oh, there's one just down the street. Let's go, guys. Okay, we're here. Yes. Yes. Group of 1? No, group of 5. Okay, come right this way, so. Okay. This won't hurt a bit. That sounded like a parrot. Yeah, I'm scared. Me too. No hablo inglés. Shots, little. Thanks for coming. You're welcome. We got all my cats. Yeah, we got them. Yeah. Yeah. See. Well, let's go home. We're finally home. I'm really tired. Are you guys? Yeah, I'm tired. Yeah, I'm tired. See. Yeah, I'm really tired. Well, let's watch TV. Breaking news. NASA has launched a rover on Mars called Curiosity, and they have discovered microorganisms. What the what?